We're wishing you and yours a Merry Valentine's Day. And that's why we're featuring 15 wonderful Valentine's Day trees that you and your kids will absolutely love. Our sisters are all in as they wow us with their creations, turning the ordinary into the extraordinary. But don't just take my word for it. Check out all of our creators. Then, at the end of this video, you can vote for your fan favorite to help one lucky lady win a gift card and have her tree featured in an upcoming video. Also, answer our question of the day so that you can win a prize too. And with that, let's get started. Sherry Ann's decor was inspired by her 3 daughters, who she always showers with Valentine's Day flowers and Victoria's Secret's goodies. As you might imagine, Victoria's Secret is her favorite place to shop, along with Hobby Lobby and Amazon. Let's see if you viewers will keep this treat a secret, or will you give Sherry Ann your vote? Natalie, what can we expect from you this Valentine's Day? Certainly not the traditional Valentine's Day decor, as your buffalo plaid theme reigns supreme. With items from Hobby Lobby, Natalie's tree is chic and unique. You may remember summer as our fan favorite for our Christmas tree roundup. Well, with items from Home Goods, the Dollar Tree, Walgreens, and the Disney Store, Summer and her daughter have opted to spread some Mickey Mouse love this season too. How'd they do? Ashley loves the whimsy aesthetic of old school Valentine's Day cards. Well, her Valentine's Day tree is reminiscent of that, with elements purchased from Hobby Lobby and the Dollar Tree, reminding us that love is all you need. Shamoris, a tech engineer, works long hours but still finds time to make holiday trees for her young kids to enjoy. Her 6-foot Valentine's Day tree rounds out her collection with items from Walmart and the Dollar Tree. Will Shamoris' kid-inspired Valentine's Day tree earn your vote? Eleanor's inspiration is simple. She just loves the holidays and the decorations that comes with it. She snags her decor from a long list of retailers, including Hobby Lobby, Home Goods, Ross, Marshalls, the Dollar Tree, Michael's, Walmart, At Home, and more. Her tree was created with a whole lot of love. But is it enough to earn your vote? Karen loves the holidays and hates to see them end. So last year, she flipped her Christmas tree into a Valentine's Day tree and began adding items like this Cupid, which she found on eBay, as well as other goodies. Then she sealed her Valentine's Day tree with a kiss. If Karen's creativity connects with you, find out how to give her your vote at the end of this video. Juwan owns her extraness, and she puts her heart into everything she does. Decorating is her passion. Her Valentine's Day theme is a winter of love. It's a time when couples cozy up, sipping on wine by the fireplace, and she gets her finds from the Dollar Tree, Home Goods, At Home, and other local stores. Juwan also has a rep to protect, as she was our fan favorite for our Christmas tablescape roundup. Will she keep her crown? Delcia is inspired by her grandson. He gets excited when he sees her decorated trees. Her goal is to decorate her tree for every holiday with finds from Hobby Lobby. For now, let's enjoy her beautiful Valentine's Day tree. If Delcia's decor resonates with you, when you get to the end of this video, cast your vote. Shamika wants to let everyone know to hang in there, despite this pandemic. And she thought her Valentine's Day tree was a great way to encourage folks to keep the faith and the love. Her decorations are from the Dollar Tree and Walmart. Can Shamika hang her heart on your vote? Terry goes all out with her decorating throughout the entire year. For example, you may find Mr. Piano Man anytime, but you'd have to wait till Christmas to meet Miss Peppermint. And for Valentine's Day, I'd like to introduce you to Mr. Love, a wonderful tree for kids and adults. Has this lovely tree snagged your vote? Shelly got the inspiration for her Valentine's Day tree from all of the Christmas tree posts on social media. She hunted for her decor items at the Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, and Walmart. Then she picked out a spot in her bedroom and voila! Here is a gorgeous Valentine's Day tree. Will you follow your heart and cast your vote for Shelly? Sherry has been creating occasion trees for 13 years. Here's her Mardi Gras tree. Her inspiration is from her 4 grandchildren, and she keeps gifts for them under all of her trees. She changes things up and adds something new each year with finds from the Dollar Tree, the Dollar General, Kirkland's, Walmart, and Big Lots. Fortunately, this year's Valentine's Day tree is one of her best ones yet. Introducing Shun. She says, if you're going to do buffalo plaid for your Valentine's Day tree, you better be bold. And she did that. With decorations from Hobby Lobby and the Dollar Tree, she definitely rocked it. But will it be enough to rock the vote? Last, but certainly not least, is Brenda. When we came across her Valentine's Day decor, we asked if we could check out her Valentine's Day tree. She said, give her a couple of days and she'll send us some pics. What we didn't know is that Brenda was not familiar with a Valentine's Day tree. And without ever seeing one, Miss Thing used her intuition and created what was in her head. So, how'd she do? All right, good people. So the fun starts today, where you can cast your vote so that one lucky lady can win a gift card when she's selected as your fan favorite. And Kyla will tell you all the things you need to do to make your vote count.
To cast your vote, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment your favorite creator in the comment section.
Now for our question of the day. Which of our participants incorporated buffalo plaid in their Valentine's Day decor? Insert the name of those creators down in the comments. If you're selected, then you can win a gift card too. Thanks for tuning in, and please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Take care.